Wow, this is a really nice application where I am going to suggest you today to improve your English. You are going to get English speaking course using movies and how you can improve English. Not even you're going to be able to speak English as well. You are going to get chance to understand movies. You understand native speakers easily by using the application. And I hope just spending your a bit time you're going to be a fluent in English, and you're going to get to learn not only spelling, pronunciation, accurate understanding of movies also. So this is a free of course according to you. I mean, in this generation everyone wants to earn money, so each and application they have like completely two kind of versions, free version and paid version. I hope I am going to suggest you a free version, all of you, and I already added a sign up system. A sign up system is a bit different. Boot is gonna speak with you, and Boot will talk with you. What do you want to do? How you want to sign up this application? So Boot would be having a conversation like a real human, and you will be talking to communicate to telling the answer of those all things that whatever the boot will be asking to you. And additionally you will have a lastly option that how do you want to improve your English speaking course using movies or reading notes or some other kind of things that you would be getting as an option. So it could be optional, I mean not optional, it can be options that you can select, it up to you. So I would suggest you to use speaking course using movies because it's gonna be really excellent and you really love that. You're going to get fill in the blanks, you're going to get short clip of movies and a lot of interesting things. So this is what I will suggest you. Let's go into and try to understand this short application, that how you can use this application. And there is a part of sign up. If you don't like this sign up part, it is more than 4 minutes of sign up part. If you can skip this part, I will add there this kind of like here I will add that application's screen a skip button. You will try to do skip from this time to that time, so you will skip that sign up system and you're going to have this next whatever you have like application review, and try to watch this and try to install. Do you remember I will try to add this application link below description or in a comment box. All right, the two things try to keep it in mind. And if you cannot find either application link, try to message me or comment me below description. I would be fine, I would be trying to add for you more. I hope you will be trying to complete watch this video to understand this one. So let's get into. Eva is an interesting application. If you don't have already account, you can simply continue. If you have already account, you can sign in your Gmail. Suppose I'm going to continue with Google, but I'm going to start with here. So this application, everything will tell you that what you have to do, and this application will ask you what is your name, I mean what is your native language. Suppose if your native language is something different, you can see here you can find all your languages, and which one is your native language, you have to simply select that language. So I love to select English as a native always. Okay, then they will ask you something different. What's your name, you can type here, because this is just an introduction. In that way, whatever you're going to type your name etc, they will aid you there. So what language are you going to learn? If suppose you're going to learn Spanish, I'm going to learn Spanish, so they are going to help. Cool. So यहाँ पे sorry, yeah, another thing, so they are going to quickly, you can finish this, how old are you, whatever, you can quickly finish it. I'm going to quickly finish such kind of thing, and the end of this you will be able to completely sign up, especially very nicely. So what level you have, for example, you have advanced level, beginner level, whatever you can select in that way. This is very enjoyable, you can read and you can fill your all like sign up form. Okay, so for example, how to translate me gusto tu, I like you. Hola Rose. So hola Rose means hi Rose. See, in that way you can be learning English. That you will be heavy translations. Mi hablas tenías. So I think I'm not sure about this one. It's a phrase. Acatu delicious. This side is. I'm not sure about this one. You can completely do that. This is a congratulations. Okay. And how to translate the Q diabolos also. What happened? What? Okay. What does this guy not know about yourself? How old are you? How long he has been? Whatever, you can do that. ¿Dónde está tu corazón? Where is your heart? Okay, so basically you will be having such kind of things in your like site you are going to read, and I'm going to completely finish this quickly and I'm going to show you. So after knowing these things, they will tell you, okay, this is a short test. They will take your English in that way. If you selected English language and Hindi to something like that, then you would be having simply like they will check your knowledge and how is your knowledge, and then simply you have like how. I mean, they said I got many things here, so I just need to know what you want to start. So if you want to start a speaking course using movies, so you will just select, and then you have to simply edit your email. I'm going to quickly edit my email. I edit my email. I'm going to continue this, and now if you have a plan, if you don't want this, you just simply close this plan, and automatically you're going to continue this one. See, this is what is read all it. You look pills and ones, okay, you can close this one. Now you are going to see this library button, and this is courses. In courses you're going to see this is movie part. You can see is present connections together for. There are many topics that you can talk. Happy childhood, curiosity, interrogations, youth talks. So we are going to start with, for example, you want to start with this one from the first. You're going to see it is a hola, right? This is hola. Hola means hi in Spanish. So when you
Hola.
hola, right? If you want to listen slow, you can
Hola.
just click on this so you can listen slow, and you can go back ahead. Next one. Hola, okay? This is hola. Next, you can listen again with different pronunciation.
Hola.
So this is different pronunciation to understand all of that. If you want to click this, simply you can listen.
Hola.
Okay. I hope you understood all of them. And next one is
Hola. 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 Hola.
hola, right?
Hola. Hola.
Okay.
Hola, Greg. Hola, Jack.
So hola Greek, hola Jack. You can listen and you can
Hola, Greg. Hola, Jack.
just in that way you will be having English sentences you have to complete. So hi Batman, hi Joker. So you can say hola and hola Joker.
Hola, Batman. Hola, Joker.
Yes, in English is that
Hola.
hola.
Hola. Beep, beep.
Yes. In that way you have to complete. Now you have a spellings. You have to find the word. So this application teach you correct spelling,
Hola.
correct pronunciation, correct.
Hola.
So this application will teach you correct spelling, correct pronunciation of one word, two word, whatever you have correctly. Once they will teach you 100% better pronunciation, whatever you can see. By the way, the H at the beginning of the word is always silent. They are telling you tip. So they will teach you English in that way simply from the beginning.
Hola.
Hola, ha 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 ha. Okay, so in Spanish it's ja 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 with H, so it's ah ha ha. Okay, so next.
Hola. Hola.
Hola. So hola means hi, hi.
Hola. Hola.
It means hi and hi, both said. So
Hola. Hola.
great. You have
Hola. Hola.
so they are teaching you completely
Hola.
all over.
Hola.
In that way, you can practice your English. And if there is a missing word, you have to select missing word, and
Hola.
then you have to simply.
Ja 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 ja.
So someone is trying to slide to your DM, him or being saying hello. So saying hello is like hola.
Hola. Hola. Hola. Hola.
This is conversation, and you're saying hola, Will. Okay.
Hola. Will. Hola. Will.
Okay. So this way you will do your conversation, your communication in that way. Okay, this is one thing. The second thing is you have this is one strike. You want to learn more languages, you can simply click here, you can select more languages. This is the library. In a library you have a lot of a book you can read there. You have a stories you want to read. A man with two left, you can simply read this story. You can listen if you want to listen, if you want to read. This is what you have it here. You can see this one. If you're going to click any word, you will have a pronunciation. You can learn this one. You can
Frecuencia.
frequent. Yeah, if you learned or you want to learn, click it more, learn deeply. I hope you understand. You have a translations. This is very interesting application, and as well you can listen this one here. This is a listening tab. Furthermore, here games. If you want to play games, wordcraft game.
Con frecuencia me ha sorprendido la semejanza entre el caso de Clarence y el de Henry Wallace Mills.
Okay, this is your profile, and you have one strike, and here is all your progress. Write to email settings. You learned one word. You can see more words you can learn here. So
Visite.
visit means visit. Okay, so you're going to click on setting button. On setting here you will see there are a lot of system, lot of button. You can set content, adult content simply here, or you can select native language, learn language, and time reminder, study reminder. This is simple application. I hope you understand all of them. This is a wordcraft game. You can practice this word cabbage. What do you call cabbage here in Spanish? That's all I think. So I hope you understand this application. This is simple and pretty simple, and thank you so much for watching.